Hi, I'm Annabel Lewis from V V Rouleaux, and this is our Squashed Gooseberry, which comes from our 100 colours of V V Rouleaux ribbons and trims and braids. With Squashed Gooseberry, we have at least 20 or 30 different types of ribbon. So it's not just 4 or 5 types. We've got grosgrains, velvets, beautiful satins, a marvellous ric-rac velvet, feathers, pom-poms, tassels. All this lovely green can be worked within your fashion interiors and display and decoration. The green is subtle green, nice and warm. I'd put these sort of colours with, burgundies or plummy colours. So here's a lovely grosgrain ribbon. I mean, ribbons look so good when they're just plonked on the floor. And this one we've made into a lampshade, and then on the top of the lampshade it's got a really gorgeous different texture using woolly braid, and this has got some metallic blues and greens going through it. Here's the lampshade, and also we've covered the base of the lamp with a waxed cord. Wire-edged ribbon and little tapes look gorgeous on fashion items. This is a lovely greeny gooseberry with little dots of pink and your plum that I was mentioning earlier. And that one, along with the velvet, is actually on my skirt. So really pretty with layers of ribbon on your skirt. One of the loveliest ribbons that we have is a wire-edged ribbon, which you can do lots of things with. This is a squashed gooseberry, but as you can see, it comes out with a very sharp sort of orange shot colour. And I love it when it's all trailed on the table because the colour comes through. But we've made a lovely little hat. So wire-edged ribbon is a fantastic thing for ruching and using. But as you can see, bright orange comes into play when it's shot in the same ribbon. So why not put bright orange with squashed gooseberry? Rather lovely for Ascot. Linen napkins. This is a lovely linen tape that we've edged a napkin with, and it just changes them completely into something rather pretty for your table. And not forgetting a little tassel. These very popular at the moment as earrings. That's squashed gooseberry, and with all those beautiful trims and ribbons, do go to the website and choose from our fantastic range. Thanks very much for watching.